Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
We pass Hua Hin Airport, formerly Borfai Airport. There are currently no or only a few flights, but there are big dreams. But let's leave that. We are going north, direction Cha-Am. On the right is the Royal Rainmaker Center. Our destination is called Cha-Am Graffiti Abandoned Factory on Google Maps, but the original Thai text is Borfai Warehouse Hua Hin. Those in the know that we are actually still in Hua Hin, about 250 meters from the border with Phetchaburi Province. This is exactly at the beginning of the right-hand bend. I just missed the driveway from all the storytelling, so let's backtrack a bit. It has been raining again for the past few days, but we are at the end of the rainy season. We will take a ride here on the motorbike first and then hike around a bit. Once again, we are still here in Phetchaburi Province, Changwat, Hua Hin district, Ampö, namely in Borfai sub-district, Tambon. We drive a little bit in here, but from now on we continue on foot. Hua Hin International Airport, former Borfai Airport. We turn now to this side and see this abandoned warehouse in Borfai. After rain this morning, very nice clouds now. We enjoy now this time without any rain. Walking now. A few years ago there was a big event, I think 2 days, a graffiti festival, and many famous art workers were here and created this beautiful graffiti. It's a pretty now, but they carried really, this could be some attraction here that you can visit. Can be somebody has this idea and make something here. So let's go behind there. I don't have to speak a lot here. There are pictures, and pictures speak by themselves. You have a fantasy, you have ideas, you're creative. A bit mystic here. So many big snakes. There's some water. So this is lava. They make lava here. Beware when you carry here. Okay, I know it's full. When you walk back, a lot of water in the... Okay.